Hello, this video will demonstrate on how to check for attendance remotely as a parent, guardian, or student. With our new learning models, it's important for both parents and students to check for attendance on any given day the students are learning from home. If you are a student in grades 6 through 12, you may log on to Infinite Campus through your homepage at home.spenceport.schools.org. Parents or guardians with a student in grades K through 5 can log on to Infinite Campus by going to www.spenceport.schools.org. It is important for guardians with students in grades K through 5 to check in each day for your students who are learning from home. Students in grades 6 through 12 will need to check in themselves each day they are learning from home. Please note that guardians with students in grades K through 5 will only need to check in your students once a day. Students in grades 6 through 12 will need to check in themselves multiple times a day for each of their courses. Scroll down until you see the quick links at the bottom right. Select Infinite Campus Portal. Now select your respective portal. Students in grades K through 5 need to have their guardians check in for them each day that they're learning from home. Students in grades 6 through 12 will need to check in themselves for each day that they're learning from home for each of their courses. Upon logging in, click the Today tab. You will see your students' information, the check-ins list for their courses, and your student's schedule, which will also indicate which blended learning group they're in. As a parent or guardian of multiple students, you may also see a drop-down list on your student's name located on the top right of your screen. This is used to change the student you're viewing. Students will not see this option. As you can see here, this is the first grade student. A guardian will need to check in for attendance on the days that this student is learning from home. Their teacher will see that you've checked in after completing this step. This example you're viewing demonstrates how guardians with students in grades 6 through 12 will view their students' check-ins. You will be able to see if your student hasn't checked in, but aren't able to check in your student. Only the student is able to check in themselves. Please note that check-ins are once a day on the day that the student is learning from home. You are able to check in until the end of the day. Once the day is over, the check-in list will roll over to the next day. You cannot check in for previous days or future dates. To check in, press one of the courses under the check-ins. You will be taken to the check-in screen. If the student is participating, please click Yes, I'm here. The check-in is saved automatically. The courses will disappear from the list as you check in. You must check in for each course on the list to be considered as having participated in the class for that day. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions, contact your Building Infinite Campus coordinator.